Oh man, how are we gonna toast such a bent over one? We'll try. Time to feed the sourdough. I used to be so much more particular, like making sure I knew exactly how much was in here because you're supposed to feed it the same amount that's already in here. But now I've realized I can approximate and it's okay. I'm not gonna kill my sourdough. So I am going to look in here and say a 1/3 cup in there. Okay, I was on camera and nervous and didn't say the right thing. Just kidding, but I'm looking at it now thinking it's probably more like a 1/2 cup. I'm adding my 1/2 cup of flour, and then I just use bottled water, and I will do just under a 1/2 cup. So I don't quite do equal measurements flour and water. I do a little bit less water than I do flour, or it just gets to be too thin. Give this a good mix, and then it'll get bubbly throughout the day. And I can either use it this afternoon to bake something. I don't think I will, because I just baked a couple of loaves of bread yesterday, which is why my sourdough is quite low right now. So I'll just cover it back up, and then I'll feed it again in 24 hours tomorrow morning. My arm is buzzing like crazy. I can feel it vibrating. Somebody's texting me on my watch. The snow out here this morning. Look at that. It's up to the top of my boots. Look at my good helpers out here. Zara, how's your little shovel working for you? It's working pretty well. We've got a long ways to go, but we've gotten a lot done too. Oh my goodness, there's so much snow. Some of the kids are still out there shoveling. Today's video is sponsored by Merit Beauty. I have worked with them the last couple months and shown you some of their makeup products, and so I'm going to show you once again this month some of my favorites. And the reason I want to make sure to show you today is because there is a big sale on. So Merit, go onto their website. I'll link it down below in my description box. You know what? Let me start putting my makeup on. I feel like it's gonna take a little bit of time for me to put makeup on. I may as well be applying it as I talk. So this is the concealer foundation stick. This is my favorite. I enjoy all the products I've gotten from them, but this one is my favorite. I use it as my foundation every day, and the shade I use is spelled O-C-H-R-E. I'm not quite sure if over the winter I will need to get a lighter shade, because I do get quite a tan over the summer, and then through the long winter I lose it. So I might need to go down a shade for the winter, but this is the shade that I have been enjoying all spring and summer. So I just put it on like this. And then I take my brush and I just blend it in. So Merit has 20% off everything, and like I said, I'm a little bit late getting the news out because I believe the sale's from like the 21st to the 28th or something like that. I know when this video goes out, there's only a couple days left in the sale. So make sure you go and check it out, and if you think, oh, I don't know what I should get, if you want to get just one thing, get this. Get the foundation stick. I'm gonna keep it really simple today. I'm not even gonna fill in my brows. Today I know I'm wearing glasses, and so sometimes when I'm wearing my glasses, I just go without because it covers it. You don't really see it. And then I'm gonna just put on some bronzer, especially as we get to the colder months. I feel like I need a little bit of extra depth to my face. This is the color of Clay, and so I just put some there. The last thing I'm going to apply, I'm going to get up close and personal with you guys. I'm just going to apply some mascara. I really like the wand.
My favorite thing about it is that, okay, I have super short light lashes. This wand is really good at like pulling my lashes upward, giving them a little bit of a curl, making me look like I actually have lashes. See my lashes, guys? They are so ridiculously tiny. There's my finished look. I feel like it doesn't look quite complete without glasses because I just feel like I'm missing my eyebrows. But I'll get my glasses on. That's my look for today. Really simple. And I wanted to also mention this makeup bag. I really enjoy this makeup bag. I have all my products in there. Just tie it up and close it. And when you make your first purchase with Merit, you will get a free Merit signature bag. I just looked out the window here and saw Elijah. Look how hard he's working on shuffling all that snow. That snow is deep, you guys. I don't know how much it is. I want to say it's probably like 14 inches or something. It's quite a lot. I might go out and help him because I wanted him to clear all the rest, like all to the end of that driveway. If you guys don't have snow, don't know much about snow, when it's really, really cold, like way below freezing, and it snows, the snow is really, really, really light and dry, and so you can shovel up like a bunch of snow really quickly, really easily, because it's just really light snow. But right now it's just right around the freezing mark, and so that snow is always really wet and really, really heavy. So it's a lot of work shoveling that snow. It's super pretty, but it's a lot of work to clear out the driveway. At least we have lots of good shovelers. Elijah, how's it going? Are you done for now?
And it's Elijah's, mine, and Simeon's job to shovel it.
That's right.
Dad said if it's like a lot of snow, then he might come out and help us sometimes.
But I shoveled a lot this morning, didn't I? Andrew just had a talk with the kids yesterday. We didn't even know this snowstorm was coming, but he had a talk with the kids yesterday and said, Elijah, Charity, and Simeon, you guys, it's your job to keep the driveway clear. I have these videos showing our homeschool schedule and what a homeschool routine looks like for us. And you know, we do follow that routine a lot of days, and then some days we have something else going on where that routine is just thrown out the window. And so today, for one thing, we woke up a little bit late, and all the snow, we were like, let's get outside and clean that up. So everything was just a little bit later this morning. And now we have friends coming over, if they can make it through all the snow. We have friends coming over. We tried to get the driveway mostly clean for them, coming over for lunch and just to like play outside and stuff. I am going to make a nice warm soup for lunch. So I'm gonna make a minestrone soup. I have fresh bread that I made last night, so that's gonna be lunch. I think that'll be a perfect lunch for such a cold day. All that to say, our school routine for the day is very different. A day like this where I just need to be cooking and just catching up on like just a quick clean of the house and stuff. The kids are going to do math right now. Zara, is that what you're getting out? You're supposed to be getting out math. Get out your math book. The bigger kids are all currently working on math, so we'll do math, we'll do handwriting and language arts, and that's probably about it. We won't get to our gather round lesson today. Let's see. Oh, they look amazing, but you look like you need a Kleenex. He always comes down after I tell him to go brush his teeth. He comes down and says, Mom, look at my teeth. Aren't they so sparkly? Zara, I love your neat handwriting. Do you remember what pieces of money those are?
Yeah.
What are they called? They're called nickels.
Nickel.
And a nickel is how many cents?
5.
That's right. What does that make? Let's see. 35 cents. You're right. The kids are counting down the days till we start this, right, Wesley? Do we start this in December? Yeah. Oh, we still have a note in there from last year. What does it say? It says, it does. How did you know that? It says, go look on your bed. Oh, I am so not ready. I have a lot of planning to do before I fill up this advent calendar for December. It's coming so soon. Oh, what does that one say? I guess, you know what, Wesley? Mommy has a job for you. Why don't you go through and take all those papers and put all of them in the garbage for me? Would you do that?
Why, Mom?
Because we don't need them. We're gonna put new papers in there.
Oh.
Does that sound like a good job for Wes? I think so. This minestrone soup is just gonna cook on low now. I don't really know how long I wanna cook the pasta for. There is pasta in there, you can't really see it. But there's a cup of pasta in there as well as a whole bunch of veggies and kidney beans.
And so, I don't know, we'll test this out. We'll see if that pasta will cook. I just find it to be a tricky thing because you want the pasta cooked, but you really don't want it to be overcooked. And then over here, I just have a couple loaves of bread I baked yesterday. It is many hours later now. I am just sitting down and making a grocery list, ordering groceries. I got out my meal plan PDF, my printable meal plan here it's dark in here, isn't it? Nah, it's fine. I don't want to turn the light on. We're good. I haven't actually started making this meal plan yet, but I wanted to get groceries ordered, and I'm like halfway done ordering groceries for the week, and I'm like, we have to leave for swimming lessons in 10 minutes. So I think I'm gonna have to take a break. I do not like doing things halfway. Like, I know we're gonna get home and it's gonna be dinner time and it'll be way later that I get to ordering these groceries. Time just got away from me, so we'll have to go do that. Oh, part of the problem is that I got distracted online shopping. I've gotten so much Christmas shopping done. Just these past 2 weeks, I've been doing a lot of the shopping for the kids. And so we've been having packages come every day because all those packages are coming in. But that's not what I was shopping for today. I was shopping for a new jacket for myself. I think I'm gonna wait for like Black Friday sales or something. But I pulled out my coat, my winter coat, my nice fuzzy inside winter coat. Now, I did buy this coat. I was trying to think back today how long ago it was. It had, excuse me, it had to have been, I feel like Simeon was a baby when I bought it, but it was a big purchase. It was an expensive coat. Anyways, I put it on this winter and I was like, this coat is getting tight. I should probably get a new one soon. It's a long coat, so it's getting a little bit tight on my hips. But then, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. Then, after I put it on, I realized, oh my word, there's a little hole in the jacket. And I knew that a mouse had gotten into that bin because when I pulled the bin out, there were some telltale droppings in the tote, and I was like, oh no. But yeah, it chewed a hole right through my jacket. I will show you. Let me turn this closet light on. Where is it? Okay, this is my like spring and fall jacket, and then this jacket right here, right down there. There is a hole. Honestly, I am thankful it was this one because I have had this jacket for so long, but like it's still such good quality. I totally could have like given that away or sold it or something. I also have, so I'm glad it wasn't this one. I'm showing you all these jackets and you're probably like, why do you need so many jackets? Well, I live in Canada in the winter time. So this is the jacket I bought last year. I'm so glad it didn't chew through this one. And I wear this coat for when I'm sledding or skiing. It's more like a sporty type jacket. And so I can wear that in the meantime, but I am super annoyed about that happening to my good coat. Well, the kids and I did a lot of work today and got the driveway mostly cleared. We got it cleared on this side all the way to the road. And here we go again. I forgot keys the first time. All right, let's go. Are you reading a book? Yes, of course you are. That's why you're being pokey. Okay, let's get some hot air. Some hot air blowing. Everybody grabbed a snack, right? I think the back door of the house is still unlocked. If you want to go run real fast, you can go run and get a snack. Thank you. We'll let the van warm up for a couple of minutes here. And I'm gonna close this vlog. So thank you for watching. Yeah. Thank you for the garbage. Oh, I dropped it. I'm like the garbage collector up here. Thank you for watching this vlog today. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great weekend. See you next time.
Bye.